Welcome to Rhode Island. My name is Emilio Dispirito, and I'm proud to say that the Dispirito team is the newest addition here to our Engel and Folkers family. This video is for you, because I'm excited to bring the most exclusive luxury brokerage in the world to my home state of Rhode Island. But I do have to come clean with you. Selfishly, I'm excited because I think Engel and Folkers is going to change my business. Our goal is long to become a real estate firm with global referral partners such as yourself. Connecting with you truly makes that worldwide dream a reality. In the past, I can't tell you how difficult it's been for my team and I to hand off our clients to agents in other markets. Now, we can tell our relocation clients confidently that we have partners worldwide with an equal commitment to excellence, dedication, and the absolute highest standard of service imaginable. And that's why I want to connect with you, personally. Let's learn more about each other's market so we can be aware of how we can create and facilitate upcoming opportunities for one another. If you want, you could skip the rest of this video and schedule a meeting with me using the link below. Let me introduce myself again. I'm Emilio Dispirito, and that's Dispirito with a capital S. I'm the team leader at the Dispirito team, and we've been servicing Rhode Island and nearby Massachusetts and Connecticut for nearly a decade. Our goal since the beginning has been simple: provide our clients with the highest level of customer service and care possible, no matter where their real estate dreams would take them, while servicing some of the most desirable locations and luxurious oceanfront homes here in Rhode Island. We're proud to be a small team of 6 agents doing a disproportionate volume of business. You know, I don't say this to brag. I say this because I know what kind of amazing business owners are part of Engel and Folkers, and I want you to know that we're serious about Rhode Island real estate. Next to real estate, our biggest passion is digital marketing, advertising, and branding. We have an in-house production and marketing team. We utilize hyper-local directories and news sources. We have our own radio show, podcast, and vlog aired weekly on iHeartRadio. And that's what I want to talk with you about in a minute. Now you might be asking, if things were running so smoothly, why the change? Well, that's where you come in. Not only does flying the Engel and Folkers banner immediately set us apart from our competition locally, but it connects us with you. We want to talk with you. We want to work with you, and I want to interview you. I record my radio show every Tuesday at 10 a.m. on iHeartRadio here in Providence. It goes out to hundreds of thousands of people in our local marketplace and, of course, all over the world. I want them to meet you. I want you to be my next guest. Here's my personal contact info for you to reach out directly. I'm also leaving a Calendly link below for you to book a time to come as a guest on my show. I'm truly proud to be a part of our Engel and Folkers family, and I can't wait to meet you.